Olivia Wilde and Jason Sudeikis' former nanny is pushing back against the now-separated couple's attempts to move their ongoing legal battle out of the public eye. Erica Henaro, who took a wrongful termination lawsuit against Wilde and Sudeikis in February after previously going public with bombshell claims about the couple's tumultuous 2020 breakup, is now alleging that she doesn't remember signing documents that would require the case to be kept private. Her legal team also accused Wilde of intentionally hiding arbitration paperwork within a confidentiality agreement, according to Radar Online. Henaro began working for the actor-slash-director couple in 2018, serving as a carer for their two children, Daisy, born in 2014, and Otis, born in 2016. She claims that she was put under extreme stress when Wilde abruptly left the family's LA home in November 2020. That month, it was reported that Sudeikis, 47, and Wilde, 39, had split up after 7 years. Henaro claimed the Ted Lasso star leaned on her heavily for emotional support, which caused her extreme anxiety. She claims the former couple terminated her wrongfully after she opened up to them about her emotional state and her plans to give them 5 months to hire a replacement. In her February complaint, Henaro's legal team alleged that Sudeikis pressured her stay up at night after the kids were put to bed to talk about his split from the Don't Worry Darling director. The former nanny claimed she felt compelled to engage even though the conversations caused extreme anxiety to her, as she ostensibly felt she had to pick sides between the parents of the children. She was ostensibly the primary caretaker. The complaint added that the pressure of Henaro, not only being the primary caretaker of the children, but also filling in Wilde's absence for the children, became debilitating. Wilde and Sudeikis are arguing that the case should be moved to arbitration, out of the public eye, due to a document they say Henaro signed that agreed to have any disputes heard by a private judge. Radar Online reports that, in newly filed documents, Henaro said she doesn't remember signing the arbitration agreement, and Ms. Wilde did not explain that signing such paperwork would require her to arbitrate any disputes. Instead, Henaro alleges she was presented with a confidentiality agreement that her lawyers now say was used to cover up the arbitration agreement. Ms. Henaro was asked to sign and return the agreement as soon as possible, without anyone advising Ms. Henaro on behalf of Ms. Wilde and Mr. Sudeikis of her obligations under the agreement, a new motion reportedly reads. Accordingly, Ms. Henaro did not understand that this obscured arbitration provision required her to forfeit her rights to protection under California law and a jury trial in the event her employers violated California law. Ms. Henaro was required to sign the confidentiality agreement as a condition of her employment, making it a standard contract of adhesion. Ms. Henaro was not given an opportunity to review the confidentiality agreement, nor the arbitration clause contained therein, with an attorney. Rather, Ms. Henaro was asked to review a technical legal document, which sacrificed important employment protections, herself, while defendants had much greater access to representation, her lawyer wrote. Her team is insisting the lawsuit remain in Los Angeles Superior Court.